forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. Keep at your premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Sandawana.
Stivo.
Yeah.
Ke a leboha haholo bafethu.
Yeah.
O re ne mfile chance so.
Yes.
Sundowns ke na le problem ye one.
Ingi.
Ya Cardoso.
What?
Cardoso ke favorite yaka.
Yes.
Cardoso ke ka mosaina ka Sundowns for 5 years.
Yes.
So una le ntwe one ke motho le yena.
Yeah.
Wa etsa mistakes.
Yeah.
So re jiwa ka center back.
Yeah.
So Renali Johannes.
Yes, yes.
Renali Mbala outside.
Yes.
No. Kuba we make it. Ribata Mbala Johannes ana experience. Wajisa. So bona uthola bola ali one. Unya ko dribble. Ayiyo ntwe hayi. Una le support ya Williams. So na guys Williams are reasonable ayibe kulizomdala. And ntine ke worried ka yona haholo a re thomi ko consider ka kono buya so u check Sundowns ha ba leader e attacker jwa e attacker left and right center so Sundowns is a good team so Sundowns is strong so guys re ko support Sundowns and then guys ari tole u lo Sundowns
57
ari bu ka 57 wa to thola le mang wa to thola le mang o thola le wait, Abuto, Uchalim Dawa Pirates, Udla against Sundowns. So, and Uwa Sikuas as a vendor, Usina Libitola Runa Saba vendor. Guys, please, Obartombe Sundowns. Sundowns Kichimehu, Kialibo Mate, Kimuta, one vendor. And I get again, that's not Ubu Bang.
Stivo, kuna lenye ntwana lapha encane ka incane ntwana. Le ntwana le Stivo. Exe. Lapha ino ya man. Mara ngima understand kahle. Penet Mukwena. Se. Ya baba le ntwana. Stivo, yabona. Ni worried.
Ni baba.
Ngifuna ukuthi immediate coach ithumele translator. Ukuto translator. Kube uthulile. But Tivo beba hlele emuva asikho lapho asinandaba Tivo Tivo pick up wonke amaplayer weSundowns ayikhomita ngayo yonke indlela kodwa Tivo ngikho yipi
ukhala ngani kala buti kala man
coach mongasilungisela lapha emuva coach silungisela lapha emuva coach
soba grey
bese sihamba coach
ngiyakuthola baba
Tivo singayimoshi
Thank you, Baba.
Thank you, Baba Wami.
Uba grey.